Hey, my name's Jeff Stanyard. I'm with Dunes Real Estate. I wanted to take you a little bit behind the scenes and show you how we stay up to date with the market and share with you some charts and some stats on what's going on in the island and what's been going on over the last 5 years here. So I'm going to shrink myself and then show you exactly how we pull all these stats and what we do. So this is our MLS system. It's called Resides. One of the tabs that's in here is this stats tab. It allows us to pull all the data on all the homes that have sold over a certain area. When I hit the map, when I hit the map search, you can see here that I've circled the entire island. So now we're talking about everything that has sold on the island in the last 5 years. I hit OK, and really, here's what I want. I want to know the average negotiations of homes when they're selling and when they're going under contract. I want to know the average days on the market and the median sales price of these homes when they're selling. And I want to know what our inventory looks like. I will be able to then figure out the trends as far as what has happened pre-pandemic and what does an average and normal market look like. I obviously know that the market has looked crazy over the last couple of years, and I want to take a really close look at what's happened over the last month or two to be able to determine, is it dire? Are we falling off a cliff, or are we hanging strong? Are we really holding on to a strong market here? So let's dive in. Here are I've taken all of those stats and all of those charts. I put them into one PDF. I will, wherever you're seeing this, I will put this in the comments so that you have access to it. You can look at it on your own, and you don't have to kind of go with me as I go through it. So what we're looking at first, sales price to list price ratio. So what we're talking about is, what is the sales price of the home, the list price? What is the list price of the home when it goes under contract? And what is the sales price once it's under contract? So what are you asking for? What am I willing to buy it for? What do we agree on in the middle? How much negotiation is there? So if you look at 2017 through 2020, you can see that we're negotiating about 4%. So we're getting 96% of our list price, which means we negotiate about 4%. Obviously, mid 2020 to just recently, the market has gone crazy. We're getting over 100% of our list price on our homes. Now you see this sharp decline here at the tail end of it. Don't be too overly concerned about that. What you're looking at is about a 2% negotiation in sales prices. So I've attached all of the data that has created these charts on this PDF so that if you really want to dig deep, you can dig deep and see exactly what's going on month to month. If you pay attention to what's happened here in August and in September, in August, we negotiate about 1.5%. In September, we negotiate about 2.5%. That is not a lot of negotiations off of our list price. So I wouldn't be too overly concerned about that line starting to go down. The next slide, our average days on the market versus what our median list price is. Now, pricing is what pricing is. Your house is worth what it's worth. But what I want to see is how much demand is out there for your house. How long does it take for your house to go under contract? Again, pre-pandemic, what is a normal market? So as we look at January of 2017 through July of 2020, it's taking us about 60 to 80, we'll call it 70 days to get our homes under contract. So you're talking about 2 months, a little over 2 months to get the homes under contract. Recently, it takes as much as 2 days to get homes under contract. Now, again, you start to see some chart movement that's a little bit concerning, but I don't have major concerns, and we'll go into the details here in a second. But days on the market starting to go up, price starting to go down a little bit here at the very end. But if we take a closer look on a month-to-month basis, so we're talking about September 2020, it took 17 days to sell a house. 17 days on average to sell a house. The average price, the median list price, $620,000. So if you think about days on the market first, the pre-pandemic days on the market is 70. We're at 17. The median list price is $620,000 as of September. In August, it was really high. But in July, it was lower than what it is in September. It was lower in June. It was about the same in May. It was a little bit higher in April. It was about the same in March. It was lower in February. It was lower in January. It was way lower in 21. So what I'm trying to say here is that even though we're sliding off of last month's number, we're not sliding off of last year's number. We're not sliding off of last quarter's number. We're staying pretty solid with our median list price at the time of contract. And then our last number is really what's going to tell the story on what's going to happen in the future. If we start to see huge supply in homes and the inventory starts to grow, we will see that prices will start to slide. We will see that that the market will not be favorable. But we're not seeing that. So again, pre-pandemic, we're looking at 1,800 homes on the market. This is 1,800 active available homes at one time on the market. Right now, I think we have 670 some active homes on the market. So it might be 700 and some, but we're not even close to pre-pandemic normal market activity. So in my opinion, and we'll go down and we'll look 746. So again, let's look at just this year. That's less than what was on the market in August, less than what was on the market in July, less than June, less than May. April, there was a little bit, now we're a little bit higher than what was here in the first quarter. So again, inventory is stable. It's not going through the roof. Days on the market is super low. Pricing is staying stable. The market is strong. We're not going to follow the national trend. It doesn't look like we're going to follow the national trend. We'll know more in the next 4 to 6 weeks as we come to year end and what's really going to happen here on the market. But as of right now, market looks good. Market looks strong. I hope that this is a little bit helpful to you. If you want any more detailed information about your home, your neighborhood, your community, let me know. We can get down right to the home, right to the community, and show you everything that's going on, make you the expert in your area. Have a great day. Thanks for watching this.